In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply an angular gradient to a shape for a visually dynamic effect. Whether you're designing graphics for fun or working on a professional project, mastering the use of gradients can really take your design game to the next level. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to select the shape you wish to apply the gradient to. This could be a circle, square, or any other shape you've drawn. Take a moment to ensure that your shape is the active selection on your canvas. If you're working with multiple layers or elements, be sure to click on the one you want to modify. This is crucial because applying a gradient to the wrong shape can lead to unexpected results and can set you back a few steps. Double check your selection before proceeding. Next, navigate to the fill panel. This is where the magic happens. In most design software, you should be able to find this panel through the sidebar or the top menu. If you're having trouble locating it, a quick search in your software's help resources should do the trick. Once you've opened the fill panel, you'll be presented with several options for different types of fills. Here, you will choose the option labeled Angular Gradient. Angular gradients are perfect for creating a swirling color transition effect, where colors blend in a circular motion around the central point of your shape. This creates an eye-catching visual effect that's both subtle and striking. With the angular gradient selected, it's time to customize the color stops to shape your gradient exactly how you want it. Color stops are points along the gradient where specific colors are defined. You can add multiple color stops to create a more complex gradient, or you can stick with just a few for a simpler effect. To add a color stop, simply click along the gradient line in your fill panel. You can then choose a color from the color picker or enter a specific color code if you have something precise in mind. Adjusting these color stops is key to achieving a smooth transition. Consider the mood or theme of your project when choosing colors. For example, warm tones might convey energy and enthusiasm, while cooler tones can create a sense of calm and serenity. Drag the color stops along the gradient bar to control the length and blending of each color. Now let's fine-tune the angles and colors for your desired effect. You can rotate the gradient's angle to align with the shape's orientation or achieve a specific look. Experiment with different angles to see how they impact the final appearance. Don't hesitate to play around with the colors too. Sometimes a small tweak in the hue or saturation can make a world of difference in how your gradient looks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully applied, adjusted, and fine-tuned an angular gradient to your shape. Gradients are a powerful tool in design, and with practice, you'll become even more adept at using them creatively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more design tips in our upcoming videos.